Okay, we'll need two images. One as a background image and one as an object image. It's best to use a PNG for the object image. Place the object image on the background image as a foreground element. Next, click on the background image, go to the Animations tab, and choose the Grow/Shrink option. Open the animation pane, select Effect Options, and set the size to 130%. Adjust the smooth start to 2 seconds. Set the timing to start after previous. Now, click on the foreground object and apply the Grow/Shrink animation again. Go to Effect Options and set the size to 80%. Again, set the smooth time to 2 seconds and the timing to with previous. Add your desired text to the slide and animate it as well. Select the text, choose an animation, and set the timing to after previous. Now run the slideshow. You'll see a beautiful pan and zoom effect. Thank you for watching.